Hey guys, I'm going to take you on a quick demo of our brand new expense reviewers feature, which allows you to add managers or other users as reviewers on Mamo cards to ensure each and every transaction made is in line with your company's policies. So we'll start by going over to expenses, expense configurations, and making sure expense reviewers are enabled. I can now go about issuing a new card. And during the issuance, I can select a particular individual that I would like to be an expense reviewer. This user will now be required to review each and every expense made on this card to ensure that it aligns with our company policies. We can see the card has now been issued and this user has been assigned as an expense reviewer. Up to 5 reviewers can be added, and I can also update the reviewers on an existing card by going over to the Manage Expense Reviewer section and making any relevant changes required. As an expense reviewer, if I go over to transactions, I now have a new tab called Team Transactions, which is where I will find any expenses that require my review. Status of those expenses, whether the description or receipts have already been submitted. So I can see on this particular expense, both the description has been added and the receipt uploaded, and it is waiting for me to review. That expense, review all of the information that's been submitted and make a decision as to whether to approve or reject. This expense is now approved, and the relevant information will be passed on to the expense accounting section, where our finance team can also review and ensure that the relevant parties have approved this transaction. If I had chosen to reject, I can provide a reason, which will also be passed on to our finance team, who can then take the required actions to obtain any form of reimbursement required from the cardholder. I hope this video has been useful, and we hope that you guys will enjoy using our new feature.